discoveries where science sets it.
Hello and welcome to this Christmas calendar version of GeoCave. I'm Asha, I'm a geologist living in Norway. So we are almost halfway through this series and I'm having so much fun and I hope you are too. Today's letter is new, so let's just write it on the board here. The concepts of today is frequency, the Poisson ratio, and a neutrino. So let's jump right into it. Grab a cup of tea and let's see what's in the cave today. Frequency refers to the number of times a repeating event occurs per unit of time. In physics, it's commonly used to describe waves such as sound waves, light waves or radio waves. And it is shaped like a wave. It has a crest, which is the highest point, and a throw, which is the lowest point. A cycle is a time or length between two crests or two throws. If a wave completes 10 cycles in 1 second, it has a frequency of 10 Hertz. The frequency is inversely related to the period. The period being the time it takes to complete one cycle. So if the period is 0.5 seconds, the frequency is 2 Hertz. Poisson ratio is a measure of the deformation of a material in the direction perpendicular to the direction of the loading. In simpler terms, Poisson ratio tells us how a material changes shape in one direction when it's stretched or compressed in another direction. For most materials, if you pull them, they get thinner in the perpendicular direction, and if you squeeze them, they get thicker. Mathematically, Poisson ratio is expressed as this. For most materials, the Poisson ratio ranges from between 0 to 0.5. Imagine billions of particles passing through your body every second without you feeling a thing. Neutrinos do this. Neutrino is a tiny, almost massless particle that is incredibly difficult to detect because it rarely interacts with matter. It has no charge and is very small. There are 3 types of neutrinos: electron neutrinos, muon neutrinos, and tau neutrinos. So, the secret meaning of the Greek letter nu is prevailing. So how does this relate to the 3 concepts that we presented today? Neutrino is something that exists at a certain time. So is kind of frequency. And the Poisson ratio, I don't know. But if you have any thoughts or ideas, leave a comment down below. Tune in tomorrow for more geeky Greekness and have a jolly day!